Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my slime. Well, yeah, I'm just going to be showing you what it could do, but like, I could do all sorts of stuff. It's kind of sticky. Well, no, it's not sticky, but it does get stuck to your hair. Like last time I was like playing with it, it got stuck to my shirt, but it wasn't much, but it's really stretchy, as you can see. Look, it's really stretchy. But making those pokey noises. So awesome. So cool. So yeah, I could do all sorts of stuff, but not all sorts of stuff. By the way, if you're watching, warning, do not ever put slime on your hair. I had slime before, it was a green one, but I gave it to my friend. And I put it in my hair, but it didn't get stuck to me. It was a different part of glue. And yeah, I made this with glue. Alright, I'm gonna tell you the ingredients. I'm not gonna make the ingredients. I have the ingredients over there. I have glitter. I even put glitter in it. If you could see in it closely, oh my god, to my hair. As you can see, a little close. As you can see, a little sparkles. I put all the colors in there, but I didn't finish it. I have a little more. So, oh my god. It got stuck right here. It was like right there. It was a little one though. It's right here. Right here. There we go. I thought I got stuck to it. It's so cool. My applicators. I'm a really crazy person, just telling you. For my age, I'm a really crazy person.